Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product for anyone who wants to keep their leather interiors looking pristine. We found the Chemical Guys Leather Care Kit, which includes a cleaner and conditioner set, and we've added a link in the description for you to check out its latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this product? The Chemical Guys Leather Care Kit is a comprehensive 9-piece set designed specifically for cleaning and conditioning leather surfaces. But it doesn't stop there. This kit also includes the Total Interior Cleaner, which can handle various surfaces in your car, furniture, and even office seating. It's a versatile solution that addresses multiple cleaning needs, making it perfect for anyone who owns a vehicle or has leather items at home. Now, let's explore some of the key features that make this kit stand out. First and foremost, the Total Interior Cleaner is a game changer. It cleans dashboards, door panels, navigation screens, glass, and plastic trim all in one step. This means you can tackle your entire car's interior without needing to use multiple products, saving you time and effort. One of the standout features of the Chemical Guys Leather Cleaner and Conditioner is the protective finish it leaves behind. This light protective layer resists dust, grime, and surface wear, which means your leather interiors can last longer and remain comfortable between full detailing sessions. It's an essential feature that keeps your investment looking its best. Now, let's talk about the deep cleaning leather formula. The leather cleaner is formulated to gently remove embedded dirt, body oils, and buildup from leather pores. This ensures that your leather is not just clean on the surface but is also getting the deep care it needs. Once cleaned, the leather conditioner comes in to restore softness and nourish your leather with natural oils, keeping it supple and preventing cracking over time. A common question that arises is whether this kit works on faux or synthetic leather. The answer is a resounding yes. The Chemical Guys Leather Care Kit is safe to use on natural leather, synthetic leather, pleather, faux leather, and even perforated leather. So whether you're caring for car seats, furniture, jackets, shoes, or office seating, you can rely on this kit without worrying about discoloration or damage. Who is this product suitable for? If you're a car enthusiast, a luxury vehicle owner, or just someone who wants to maintain the quality of leather in your home, this kit is perfect for you. It's also great for home detailers looking to give their interiors a thorough clean without breaking the bank on multiple products. Let's discuss some practical use cases. If you have kids or pets, you know how quickly your car's interior can get dirty. This kit offers a quick and effective way to clean up spills and messes, ensuring that your car remains a comfortable space. For those who use their vehicles for business, keeping a clean interior can make a strong impression on clients. Similarly, if you have leather furniture, using this kit regularly can help in maintaining its aesthetic and prolonging its lifespan. In summary, the Chemical Guys Leather Care Kit is an all-in-one solution for anyone looking to care for leather items in their life. With its versatile cleaning capabilities and protective features, it's a must-have for car owners, home detailers, and anyone who appreciates the luxurious feel of well-maintained leather. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.